Take a ride in the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, privacy glass, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.